How to download and install the Eversafe Academy app. Open the Play Store or App Store on your phone. Search Eversafe Academy app in the search bar. Click the Install button to download the app. After installation, tap on the Open button. Click the Register button, and fill in your details. Check I agree and then submit. Now, you can log in with your credentials to explore the Eversafe Academy app. You are successfully logged into the Eversafe Academy app. Get the Eversafe Academy app on Appstore or Play Store.